Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless, a game-changer in home security. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed wireless doorbell camera, this might just be the best outdoor camera for your home security needs. Let's explore what makes this product stand out. First, let's talk about the core features. The AOSU Doorbell camera boasts a stunning 5 megapixels Ultra HD resolution, which ensures crisp, clear video quality. With this kind of definition, you'll be able to easily spot any visitors, whether it's day or night. This ultra-clear resolution is paired with a wide 166-degree field of view, allowing you to capture everything from head to toe, or even a package on the ground. Say goodbye to blind spots. Another impressive feature is the camera's versatility. It supports both battery and wired power options, so you can choose the setup that best suits your home. The built-in rechargeable battery is designed to last up to 180 days on a single charge, which means minimal maintenance. If you prefer a more permanent installation, the wired option ensures you have power around the clock. Now, let's talk about security. The AOSU Doorbell camera has advanced motion detection features, using radar and PIR sensors to reduce false alerts. It can differentiate between people, animals, and other movements, ensuring you only get notified when it truly matters. This intelligent human detection helps minimize unnecessary notifications, saving you time and energy. Storage is another area where this camera excels. The AOSU Doorbell camera comes with a home base that allows you to store up to 60 days of video footage with no monthly fee. All the data is saved directly to the home base's built-in 8 GB memory, and you can access your recordings anytime, anywhere, through the app. Setting up the camera is a breeze, thanks to its easy installation process. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a beginner, you'll find the installation straightforward. And with Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, you can easily integrate the camera with your smart home system. Simply say, "Alexa, show me the front door camera," and you can monitor your home hands-free. Overall, the AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless provides a solid combination of high-definition video quality, long-lasting battery life, reliable motion detection, and easy installation, all without the need for a subscription service. For anyone looking to enhance their home security, this product offers exceptional value. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're in the market for a high-quality wireless doorbell camera, the AOSU Doorbell camera is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. See you in the next video.